Okay, on number 8, notice we're not starting with the parent function. Remember, the parent function is just f of x equals x. Well, this one's f of x equals x plus 4. So we're going to compare our new function to this one. So first we need to write what g of x is as an equation. So remember the slope, you're just finding the change in y over the change in x. So again, that's delta y over delta x is how we write that. But we're just going to look at the pattern. How is y changing from y coordinate to y coordinate? It's going up by 6 each time. We're going to do the same thing for x, and you'll notice it's going up by 1 unit each time. So remember, we're going to put the y over the x, so 6 over 1 gives me a slope of 6. So that's the number that goes in front of x. The y-intercept is when x is 0. Well, that's part of our table here, so we don't have to do any figuring on this one. So when x is 0, y is 6, so that's my y-intercept. So now I'm going to compare this equation to the one that was given. First of all, they're both positive slopes, so the slope did not change sign, so we do not have a reflection. If this had been positive and this one negative, then we would put reflection. The number in front of the original equation is not there, so remember that's an understood 1. So the slope went from 1 to 6. So since it got bigger, we're going to call that a rotation up. If it got smaller, we would say rotation down. Then we're going to look at the y-intercept. It was a positive 4 and it went to a positive 6. So it went up, but we don't say it translated up 6 units. You have to look at the difference between where it was to where it is now. So we went from a 4 to a 6. So that's only going up 2 units. So we're going to say translated up 2.